good morning. I should basically say good afternoon. It's 11:15. Today's one of those days. Hoping for an exciting vlog today. Not too exciting. I'm running by my guy's house to help him with a radio install in his BMW. So I decided, why not take the Porsche? Alright, man, look at these Beamers outside doing devious stuff right there, boy. X5M and a 540. Man was doing a little cut-up action. I'm trying to show him I'm showing how the Porsche get down. I'm trying to play games right now like the Porsche don't throw down too. Let me stop driving like this ain't my exit and I don't have nowhere to go. That X5M, boy. But man, that thing looked too sexy. Let's see. Uh-oh, no, this is the true test right here. My man's supposed to be working out, doing his thing. How to put the seat back? You think you can put it back more?
Like this, bro.
Put it back more. Get as much comfortable as you could. These are the 4 ways, not the 18 ways.
What am I looking for?
That's it? It's like a little, come on, you know the little front thing in the front? It's old school, baby. All right, cool. All right. Is it more comfortable than the M4 with the seats or not?
Yeah.
I keep about to start it up like this.
This is nice.
Yeah, bro.
There's some more room than I thought it was gonna be.
Oh, this one the turbo, yo, bro. Turbo spool. You couldn't fit in the Supra. You couldn't.
Supra?
I couldn't fit in the Supra. You hear them turbos, boy? Nice. That shit just choo.
That's nice.
Now that I put the heavier wheels on there, it feels a little bit more sluggish, I could tell. But
so nice, bro.
Yeah, ooh, look at that CT5V Blackwing. Ooh, sexy.
And the back seats just for show.
Yeah, the back seats don't have nothing in there. I'm gonna put my nieces in there probably, or my nephews, and see how they fit in it. Cause then I want to take them for a drive. You know how I am. I'm all be.
I like the black liner and everything.
Yeah. It aged pretty good too. Surprisingly, I thought it would have been real rough. Like you said, his corner's a little rough. I thought the whole thing would have been that way.
That's only if you point it out, like.
Yeah.
You pointing out a small.
I be pointing out the flaws, bro.
I'm looking like, yo, this shit is in really good condition.
It's not bad though, bro. Oh, you could actually put this back too.
Oh.
Yeah. Take it for a little. And the thing I like about it is all-wheel drive, so you can just hit it in first. Like, you're just chilling. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just chilling in first.
That was sneaky.
You know, I'm not used to this all-wheel drive stuff, yo.
Put my seat on.
Yeah, you're just chilling, bro. You're just chilling. Look at that. And you hear the turbo spooling, dude. Nah. And the turbo stay in boost, so I hit the gas, look, instantly. Instantly, bro. Let me make a U-turn. Yeah, it's pretty good, bro. So right now it's on like 500 horsepower. Stock turbos, base model. I want to turn it up a little more. Yeah. So when you in a corner like this and you giving it gas, you feel like you at the limit, you just gotta balls to the wall and stay in the gas.
Yo.
It's crazy, you know?
Yo, that's different.
It's my first all-wheel drive car, so you know I be going crazy in the corners with it.
I see.
At the police? Oh nah. It's a chick with. I was like, let's get that fuck out of here. It's catless, so you know when you get to the red light, you can smell the catless, bro.
Yeah, this is nice.
I like it, bro. I like it. You can tell it's not as fast as the M4 was though. The M4, you know what it is? The M4 was just violent.
Yeah, the M4 always felt like it was like a life and death thing.
Yeah.
It feels controlled chaos.
Yeah, and the thing is the all-wheel drive, and it doesn't make full torque until like a little up high.
Yeah, like the M4.
The M4 was just
that shit was just scary, bro.
Like, it just feels funny, yo. Yo, they got a chain? What? And that little ass chain, bro?
In case it's at the Chevy.
Okay. It's like straight turbo sound, bro.
Fun in here.
Yo, remember that thing, bro?
Yeah,
the
yeah.
7 Series? That's my baby, bro. Oh, man.
Damn, bro, you love the boats. I mean, you love the new M5, right?
Nah, I actually, I don't know, bro.
Nah, fuck out of here. You can't say.
I like the new M5. I like the new M5.
You can't say I love the 7 and I don't love the new M5. You love them boats.
Where's the birds at? I feel like I heard
They
pigeons.
further back.
You think they're gonna shit if I leave the window open?
Nah.
All right, cool. Yo, once you get everything all dialed in, it's gonna be perfect. Huh? Yo, we can all ride out with the black on blacks. Look, got the black Porsche with the black 1 Series with the wide ass, bro. Look at this. The little, this angle right here, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The hip is gangsta on this side. Look at that, bro. Ride, boy. Nice. So boom. Yo, how'd this come out the first time? You just pulled this right? Yo, bro. I think I'm onto something. Look. God damn, bro. Oh my.
Look at all that money.
Bro.
Look at all that money.
It's raining money.
Look at all that money, bro.
Nah, this is good. I don't know what look I'm going for.
Wait a minute.
Real man of genius. Yo, you should drive around like this, bro.
I don't know, bro.
Yeah, it's weight savings. And it's already carpeted, bro.
No way.
Look like one of them little Honda shifters.
Hey,
I did ass ride around like this.
I know you would.
This is the CS version. 128 CS, no cup holders. Somebody broke it. It wasn't me though.
I don't know, bro.
Oh no, it's not broke. Look, put it back in. But somebody did that. It wasn't me. I should open up a shop.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
So we don't know what happened to your car. All I know is it wasn't me. I'm selling every other shop. Oh, I see what you mean now. Looks like this.
Yes.
Unfortunately, bro, it doesn't fit at all.
You see, part of that was it's also from the M3. I thought
Bro, why didn't you start with that?
it said it was gonna fit.
This isn't an M3. It's a 128.
I was joking.
We did all of that, and then you finally tell me that it was a guess.
It wasn't a guess. I followed what
Nigga, this is a guess.
I followed what they said, and maybe
I knew something was wrong. So I'm like, this don't look like it works.
you figured this out.
I figured it out. My shit worked. I'm about to get in this bitch and dip. Your shit is what's fucked up. I'm good.
Ah man, I showed it to you, and you said, "All right, let's go." You just bad as me.
Don't try to divvy out the blame, bro.
You just bad as me, bro.
One eternity later.
Just like that, we back, baby. Okay, sounding pretty good. I would like it if they had like a little dial. That thing is pretty annoying. We go home. It's supposed to be Android based, so you could download Google stuff. Gotta sign in. Well, that's not bad, not bad. I gotta do something with this though. Like, there we go. They have everything working with the aircon and everything though, but the fitment is terrible. You have to do so many modifications. This is not plug and play at all. I put some stuff down. What the heck was that? Something just flew out of the vent? I'll put a link down below where you can guys get a proper kit if you guys looking at 1 Series, 3 Series, anything like that. Something that I would install, which is true plug and play. And I think I might get one for my guy too, just to hold him down a little bit, because he's struggling with this kit. But the convertible buttons down here work. Sound like a bomb about to go off. Let me get a little rev, bro. Well, tell me what you think. It ain't look no different.
Huh?
Nah, go ahead, check it out.
You said don't look no different.
Nah, from when you last seen it.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Nah, ain't no headache. It's all good. The settings is gonna sound better when you turn the volume, the EQ and stuff. But it sounds pretty good for being an aftermarket head unit. Oh, this guy going crazy with the gas pedal, bro.
Nah.
Put the sunroof up. I meant the put it down. The glare is too crazy. I'm saying you can see a little better now.
Yeah.
Finished up in my boy Lionel crib. The radio came out pretty dope, and I still had some time to salvage and give me a nice little sunset ride like I planned on doing last video. Couldn't do it before, but we back. I think I went the wrong way. Pussyfoot. I don't know if you guys can tell I'm letting off. It's just like the grip is scary, bro. I don't know if yeah, I'm eating my words. I don't know if I went any faster than this. First picked this thing up, this car was a blast, especially when I tuned it. The launches and going around corners, it would like kind of drift and understeer and oversteer, and I'll kind of learn how to drive the car like that, right? But when I swapped to these new Continental tires, this thing has a new level of freaking grip. Like I was able to do 4-wheel drifts off camera, unfortunately, but my boy Darian was in the car. He's my witness. Now that I'm extra gripped up on the road, it's not as scary as before, bro. I got scared, damn! got to get this thing on the track. You can't open it up on the street. I can't really confirm and tell you I need more power unless I get this thing on the track, bro. Oh, man. It just scared the crap out of me, bro. This car, like, it comes alive, bro. Yo, these Continental tires are crazy grippy. It's like you just gotta give it gas in the corner, baby. Woo! Oh! I ain't gonna lie, I puckered up for that one. It's like a freaking roller coaster ride. Of owning this thing, and like I said, I like to check in and report. I love it. Took me 3 months to get all the lights and everything taken care of, to tune it, throw some wheels on it, get it looking decent. Still nowhere near done. I do plan on having this thing done by I'd say 2025. I may take a break because I'm gonna have a little surprise for you guys in December coming up. I got another project I gotta really put my attention and focus on. Ooh, man. GoPro batteries suck sometimes, man. But we made it. We got it all parked up at the park. It does look better with the OEM. This is the OE tailpipes. It looks better. It looks better. I'll give you guys that. Let me go ahead and walk around real quick. Heavy on the off-roading. Look at that. 911 off-road.